Okay, this topic will be more on polygon. Okay, so this is our existing data. Okay, we have here x and then y. Okay, so to do that, okay, to insert a polygon, just click insert here, and then this one here. Choose the scatter plot. Okay, and then choose this one. Okay, so now that we have that one, we're gonna insert data. Okay, select data, and then select this two here, all of it. Okay. Okay, so we notice that uh, the y-axis here is until 445. It's only 0.45 the maximum. So we need to show the big picture of that as discussed in the book. Okay, to see the big picture. Okay, so that's the true big picture. Okay, what we are seeing the like a mountain that is so steep. Okay, it's just this one. Okay, so that's how to make a data ethical, the ethical way. Okay, you have to show what it really looks like. Okay, this is 100%. Okay, it's 0 to 1%. Okay, so this is the data. You can add here some uh, add here data labels if you want to, but you can just visualize that one, or you can just name anything here, polygon demonstration. Okay, or you can add some chart design, do some layout here. Okay, you can add some layout. Okay, all right. Okay, you can add some different layout, and this one also you can choose from this one. Okay, 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 so we can choose that one. Okay, so you have the option to add some chart elements. Okay, that one. Okay, and you have the option to rename this one and this one. Okay, so this is for the non-cumulative. Okay, how about the cumulative data? Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one. Okay, so I think it's very small, so gonna be divided that. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, okay, so we remove the freeze. I freeze the data. Okay, sorry for that. You okay? It's already unfreeze. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, so this is our first non-cumulative. So how about the cumulative data? So how do we show that? Okay, then we save this one as a template. Tempo polygon. Okay, so this is the cumulative. So this is non-cumulative. Okay, name this one as non-cumulative. Okay, um, just a shortcut. Okay, I think you get what I mean. Okay, so for the cumulative, just have to name this one. Okay, so this one, this is the soundless one. Okay, and the rest goes on. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, now we have the data ready. So gonna copy this one. Okay, and then paste special values to remove the any computations, and then we'll delete this one. Okay, delete, shift to the left. Okay, so this is the cumulative already. So the same thing that we did. Okay, so now we will be highlighting this one and then insert this one. Okay, cumulative polygon. Okay, and you can change this one to select data type and then templates. We have here some templates about polygon. Okay, okay, so this is the cumulative and this is non-cumulative of the polygon. Okay, got it? Okay, I see you.